si Lemon, kaya niyang matulog ng 16 hours straight sa eroplano na hindi ko yata kayang gawin. Just imagine, sa lahat ng biyahe ko, for long haul, like 16 hours straight, talagang kaya niyang matulog straight. Magigising lang yan pag yung tipong kakain na. Kahit siguro jumingle, hindi niya kaya. Talaga itutulog niya lang yung biyahe yun. Another fact, si Lemon ay isa sa pinaka-OC, pinaka-ok-ok, at pinaka-malinis na taong nakilala ko. Talagang takot. Takot na takot sa virus. Yung tipong pag yung CR ay hindi talaga okay, uurong talaga. Uurong talaga yung, what you call it, uurong talaga yung ihi niya. Okay? Gifted yan sa aking mga kapatid. Isa yan sa mga gifted. Gifted sa harap, sa likod, at even sa sides. Ang kanyang nakakaingit na alkansya. Ang talaga namang wala akong masabi. Fashion icon as well. Her fashion style is loved by my family and even some of my friends. Sabi nga nila, every time I was requested or I am being asked to buy something, just ask Lemon whatever, kung ano yung kunin ni Lemon, okay yan sa amin and we will wear it. Iba ang tatak Lemon, diba? Isa pa, si Lemon ay very appreciative in especially small things. Kahit simpleng bagay or small thoughts na appreciate niya, which is something that we really value. I would say ito yung very special trait ni Lemon. Killer dimples. Sa isang smile niya lang, or maraming naiinggit sa dimples niya, and at the same time, sa isang smile niya lang, kaya niya na talagang i-melt ang isang ice. So for example, you are in a difficult situation, just, drag her, pakita lang ni Lemon ang smile niya, tapos in that, check, okay ang lahat. Kaklase ko rin to na sa mga patay na patay kay Richard Poole. I hope that you remember yung mga kabaliwan times natin, tayong Thursday group, na talagang, baliw na baliw sa mga kanta or even gigs ni Richard Poole. Nonetheless, I would say that Lemon is, a loving wife to her husband, a loving mother to her kids, a loving daughter to Mamita, sister to Lali, and of course, a loving friend. So, and that I am very much grateful of. So, I wish you a happy 40th birthday, kapatid. I wish you good health. I wish you more success, happiness, peace of mind. And you know that we are just always here, ready to support you in all endeavor, kahit saan man. And, straight from Naga City. And medyo sorry sa background noise. Obviously brown out pa, but then again, I just want to extend my greetings to you, kapatid. We love you so much, and we hope that you enjoy your very special day. So, bye for now, and I will see you very, very soon. Happy birthday!